was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck, I kept on playing my part.
Hello everyone, Liliana from Vanillandcanela here. Welcome back to my channel and to another video. So today I have the much awaited baby nursery tour. If you don't know who I am, my name is Liliana. I'm 44 years old and I'm currently pregnant with our second little boy. We have a 7-year-old called Alex, and we're about to have another little boy. So we have decorated the tiniest room in the house and the only room available to become the nursery for this little boy. And I am going to bring you along and show you what we've done. So this is what you see as soon as you open the door. The crib just there, and then the painting that my husband and my son did for this baby. If you don't know this, my husband Paul made a picture for Alex before he was born, so it was only fair that he do one for this baby. But this time our little 7-year-old was able to help, and he actually came up with a lot of the ideas that you see. I will show you in a bit more detail in a minute. Side we have the wardrobe. This is actually my wardrobe. All my clothes are in here, and then behind this door that has the nursery sign on it, we have a bookshelf. Now we have had this bookshelf for many years. It was originally all this color and we covered it in Fablon with white Fablon so it wouldn't stick out so much. And I have just put some toys and basically some storage for all the different things that a baby needs. I will do a different video to show you exactly how I have organized everything, but here's a quick look. And then next to that, it's a little bit, but this is the changing table. I'd like to point out that none of this furniture is new. We are a military family, and actually the you can use one from, so my husband's in the RAF, Royal Air Force, so you can request a cot and they provide it with a brand new mattress. So I would have chosen a white cot, but it's fine. It was free mattress, really good quality mattress, so we're happy. This was actually Alex's changing table, and before he was born I bought these drawer knobs as well for him, so I have kept them because I just love them so much and I think they look great. This is it, of course, a Hemnes IKEA chest of drawers. I do apologize if I sound out of breath. It's because I am out of breath being so heavily pregnant. So I've got the changing pad, which is from Hema, and then I just put some nappies. There's some little Bepanthen, so bum cream, and wipes, a little toy that used to be Alex's, and some little trinkets, you know, like all of this is movable. I've just put it here so it looks pretty. I also hang the mobile I made here so it can entertain the baby while he's being changed, and then just hang a picture which I bought before I had Alex, and he used to be in Alex's nursery and now is in here. So making our way to the cot, like I said, the cot is from the RAF. The sheet is actually from La Redoute. I bought that in the sale and it matches our curtains really, really well. And the curtains are actually from H&M. I don't think you can get them anymore, but you can still get the sheet. The sheet is just lovely. And the toys are Alex's, of course. I bought those for Alex's nursery and that more recently, and we were told we could borrow it for the baby. Obviously, before anyone says anything, nothing would be in the crib when the baby goes to sleep in it. That blanket was actually made for Alex as well, so it's something that I kept. It was made by one of my aunties in Portugal, so just displayed it there. And then above, the beautiful, beautiful painting that my husband and Alex made. I'll just show you. It's not completed. It's going to take weeks, if not years, but it's good enough to show you what it looks like. I'll show you some little details. There's Alex just sitting under the tree. Portuguese flag to represent me, and a British flag to represent Paul. A rainbow, because rainbows are awesome, but also to represent the NHS symbol. You know, we're in 2020, it's a really big year, and it's something that marks the year we're in. There is a Vulcan there, and there's a beanstalk that goes all the way into the clouds for the castle. Up there, that's Stan, a cat that we lost last year and we loved dearly. And here, there's the new baby. And Ethel. I think that looks so perfect. That would be the face she would make if she had to be picked up. And there's some more detail. I won't show you too closely. Here's a little montage showing you how this drawing came together.
And now that you're here, I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free. Oh, my sweet baby.
Side of the crib on the wall, I have this. This was a $5 Goodwill Challenge project, and I've just put in some trinkets. And then on this side, I bought this shelf online, just hang a little outfit and again some trinkets. And I bought the baby some shoes, so I've just put that there. Now I'm standing by the crib, and this is the seating area. You might recognize this chair as one of our garden chairs. We have basically been struggling finding a comfy chair to put in here because it's such a tiny room. So we thought we would try this one. And I've been sitting in here most days just having a look around, and I really, really enjoy it. I intend to get a little ottoman which will slide under the chair when not in use, and then I could put my feet up when I'm feeding the baby. The pillowcases are from IKEA, and then some blankets that I already had. I got this table from downstairs, got my moon lamp there, which gives a very dim light at night time, and again some trinkets. There is a little basket under there which I intend to fill with whatever we need for the room. And we must talk about the curtains. I know most of you have seen them, but they are what inspired this room, and I love them so very much. Like I said, they are from H&M. They do not currently stock them, though they might do again, because I've seen they're bringing back some other items from the collection, and it's basically the A to Z of animals. I just think they are the most precious curtains. We do intend to put in some blinds, blackout blinds, but there's no hurry. The baby is not going to sleep in this room until next year after he's 6 months old, so we've got plenty of time. And then just above the chair, Paul put up all these shelves. These are actually from ringgit.com. They were cheaper than the IKEA ones. They are the ledge shelves. In case you're wondering, what is that? Basically, on the other side of it, it shows you the baby's name. So I have keeping that to myself until the baby is born. And we've just found a load of trinkets and bits and bobs to put on. I had some fabric left from the curtains, and I just framed that there. I thought it looked really cute. And there you go. A company sent me this wooden rainbow toy. I will link them below for you because I really, really love that. And then you turn. This is what the door looks like. I just put a little picture there. I've got some outfits hanging and the little sign, follow your heart. That is from Poundland. I've had that for quite a few years. I'm actually using a rug that I had already. This used to be downstairs. Now I know some of you might remember that I bought a special rug for here, but it did not work out. It was too small. I am keeping it. It's just up here. Let me show you there. And I intend to use it. And there's some clothes, baby clothes, older baby clothes in there as well. So Paul and I gave this rug a good clean, and I think it looks just lovely in here.
Thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side.
And that is it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments what you think. What's your favourite bit? Do you like it? I wanted lots of colour. I'm definitely not a neutrals kind of girl, so I hope this baby, I mean, let's face it, this is not for the baby, is it? It's for us, because the baby doesn't care. But I really like it. Paul really likes it, and so does Alex. If you can hear, so does Ethel. And yeah, so stay tuned. I will do a nursery organisation tour as well, showing how I organised everything. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.